Hello kids, good morning everyone. How are you all today? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am also fine. Thank you. Can anybody tell me which alphabet we had learned yesterday? Yes, alphabet A. Capital A, small a. And what is the sound of alphabet A? A says A. A says A. Let us revise all the words of alphabet A through flashcards.
A says a. A as in ant. A as in arrow. A as in apron. A as in aeroplane. A as in apple. A as in ambulance. A as in ankle. A as in astronaut.
Let us do salt writing activity once again.
Now, today again we will start with the salt writing. Again, first slant line, second slant line, slipping line. This is capital A. And now we will write small a. C curve, go up, come down standing. Capital A, small a.
Now I will show you how to write capital A and small a in 4 lines.
In this paper, there are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. As you can see, this is the tracing portion and this is the plain portion. I will teach you how to write capital A and small a. We will write from first red line to second blue line. Again we will go up first red line to second blue line and then slipping line on first blue line. Then we will do small a. For that we will start from the first blue line C curve, touch the second blue line, go up and come down standing. This is the first red line, first blue line, second blue line and last red line. Again we will start from the first red line, do the slant line till the second blue line. Then again we will go up, start from the first red line to the second blue line and slipping line on the first blue line. This is capital A. Now small a, we will start from the first blue line, make a C curve, touch the blue line, go up, come down standing and touch the blue line. In this way we will do the whole page. First slant line, second slant line, slipping line, make a C curve, go up, come down standing. Again, now in plain portion we will start from the red line again, go down, slant till second blue line, then second slant line, slipping line. For small a, make a C curve, go up, come down standing. Again, first slant line, second slant line, slipping line. Make a C curve, touch the line, go up, touch the line and come back. First slant line, second slant line, slipping line. Make a C curve, go up, come down standing. First slant line, second slant line, slipping line. Make a C curve, go up, come down standing. Capital A, small a. Now I will show you how to draw an arrow and end in a simple way. For an arrow, we will draw two slipping lines and then we will join this both lines, and here we will make big slipping line and here slant and slant. It becomes a triangle, and then here 1 2 3 slant line, this side 1 2 3 slant line. This is arrow. Now we will draw ant. For ant we will make a circle, then another circle, and here little bit big circle. We will make two eyes, smiley, 6 legs of ant, and standing lines. This is an ant, and we will write here capital A and here small a, arrow ant.
Now, here comes the worksheet of alphabet A.
In this worksheet, you can see the pictures, right? So first we will recognize the pictures. First is a sun, second is an aeroplane, third is an apple, fourth is a dog, fifth is an ant. So we will circle the pictures that begin with alphabet A. A says A, as in sun, no, so we will not circle it. As in aeroplane, yes, so we will circle it. A as in apple, yes, so we will circle it. A as in dog, no, so we will not circle it. A as in ant, yes, so we will circle it. So we will circle the pictures, that is an aeroplane, an apple, and an ant.
Okay kids, I will see you tomorrow with the solution of the worksheet.